Saint Patrick, dear saint of our isle, on us thy poor children bestow a sweet smile, and know thou art high in thy mansions above. On Erin's green valley, look down in thy love. On Erin's green valley, on Erin's green valley, on Erin's green valley, look down in thy love. In the war against sin, in the fight for the faith, dear saint, may thy children defend to the death. May their strength be in meekness, in penance and prayer, their banner the cross which they glory to bear. Their banner the cross, their banner the cross, their banner the cross which they glory to bear. Ever bless and defend the sweet land of our birth, where the shamrock still blooms as when thou wert on earth, and our hearts shall yet burn wheresoever we roam, for God and Saint Patrick and our native home. For God and Saint Patrick, for God and Saint Patrick, for God and Saint Patrick, and our native home.